Hey, what's up, everybody? So we got the lower valance all set up and ready to go. I'm gonna be putting sanding it down first, filling anything that needs to be filled, and then putting some epoxy primer on it, and then hitting it with some slick sand, and then also the same with the headlight bezels, or the fender extensions is what they call them. So we'll get those all set up and ready to go. Well, I guess they're set up, but we will get them all epoxied in. So let's get going. Well, everybody, that's gonna probably be a wrap for today's video. I did the zoom by and everything of after I painted it just to get the close shots and everything. I don't know what happened, but I went to edit the video and it was actually, the files were corrupted for some reason. So I wasn't able to get a flyby of those shots there, but that's where we're at. So thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. If you guys have any questions, drop them down below. Hit the like button, that's great. And then also hit the subscribe. And yeah, we'll check you on the next video. Later. Peace.